Show off.
Can you push your wagon? Okay, you gotta move your feet too. Good job. Okay. Look at you go. Oh, let's not pull that. Don't let go. Oh no. Whoa, that was fun, huh? Was that fun? Was that fun?
You pushed that lion a bunch too, Lori.
You push your lion too? Is it fun to have something to push? Oh, you need to crawl? You need to get to crawling?